Hey everybody, I want to take a minute here to talk about how to use rubrics in Canvas. This is a really handy tool to save you time when you're grading lots of work online. So right now you'll see I have this tied or evergreen assignment here on Canvas, and you'll notice I can simply type a number in here. The trouble is if you use this long enough, it does become cumbersome trying to remember what you're grading and how you're grading those students. So I want to show you a quick shortcut. Just go ahead and click the name of the assignment right here, and you only have to do this once for each assignment. So once this comes up, go ahead and click Add Rubric. Now you could create the rubric every time, but really the easiest is to reuse one. So I'm going to go ahead and find an existing rubric, and so I'm going to go back into one of my classes here and click on that, and I have a little 10-point bell ringer rubric that I'll use for this one. Click Use this rubric. Once you're all finished with that, you do have to edit it. This is one little step that I like to do. You want to use this rubric for assignment grading, and then I'm going to go ahead and click the button Update Rubric. Now when I come back to my assignments, that same assignment I saw before, instead of having to type numbers in here, I'm able to simply just go and click a button to give a score for that. Thanks for watching.